Hi, this is Steve again from Sensible Lighting Solutions, and I'm here to talk about a new product that we're releasing, which is our Smart Switch. And this Smart Switch is based on our TCP line of products, but this one was done for BC Renewables, and it's only available from them. So if you want to get one, you got to go to the BC Renewables website. And basically what the Smart Switch does is it is a smart way of handling the load in a solar system. So what we're going to do is we're going to show this with a battery, and this battery has been charged using a BC Renewables smart panel. And if you don't know what a smart panel is, go to the BC Renewables website. It's an exciting new technology. It's a great way of producing power for small solar systems. Anyway, so I've got a battery that's charged. And so I'm going to have a situation where I need to have a load which is turned on and off in a smart way. Now, what do I mean by smart? Well, I'll show you. I'm going to take the battery and I'm going to connect it to the Smart Switch. And you'll see that the light, this is just a dummy test load, turns on. And it turns on because this little light sensor thinks that it's nighttime. So if I uncover this light sensor, what will happen is that it's going to turn off the load because it thinks that it's daytime. So the first part of the Smart Switch is that it is a day-night controller. So it only turns on your load at night. So if you have, for example, lights or an LED that has its own driver, you can connect it to the charged panel, and this will automatically control when it comes on or when it turns off. Now I covered up the light sensor again, and there's a 10-second delay before it will turn the light on again, because we don't want to have the light popping on and off if there are other lights like car headlights to interfere with it. Then the other part about the Smart Switch is that you'll notice that, like our TCP board, this has a little wire on it which is an antenna. So this wire antenna, which is shown here in green, that works with our remote series. This is a wall plate. We make these in several different varieties. And you'll see that this is a little on-off touchpad, and these are very easy to use. They're used the same way as our TCP series. There's a little lithium coin cell in the back which lasts for 5 years or more, and an address switch. So this is already set up to work with this board, and so if you move back a little bit to see both of them, back some more, there you go. When I turn that on, when I touch this touchpad, it turns this on and off. Now you notice that this board is fully automatic for day-night control, and it can also be used with our wireless controls. So it does both. And in addition, there's one more very smart attribute of the Smart Switch, which is that there's a sensor circuit inside that tells when the battery has become too discharged. And to protect the battery from being damaged, it has a low voltage disconnect. So when the battery is completely depleted, or just before it gets completely depleted, it will shut off the load for the safety of the battery. And so those three smart features, battery protection and day-night control and compatibility with our wireless controls, that's what makes it a Smart Switch. So go to BC Renewables, and for your solar-powered load, this is definitely an easy way to go.